Are you wasting hundreds or even thousands on car repairs that could have been avoided? Most mechanics don't want you to know this simple maintenance secret. Today, I'm going to reveal the maintenance trick that could save your car and your wallet years of unnecessary repairs. You've been told all sorts of myths about car care, but this is the one secret mechanics hope you never discover. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your car running longer and spend far less on costly repairs. Part 1. The hidden truth about car maintenance. Let's start by understanding why this secret exists. Most drivers follow routine maintenance schedules: oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, and the occasional engine light panic. But here's the truth. Many repairs we pay for aren't always needed if we simply understand how our car works and adopt the right preventative habits. For example, did you know that over 70% of engine problems could be delayed or even prevented entirely with one simple habit? It's not an expensive upgrade. It's not a fancy tool. It's something almost every driver can do from home, but mechanics rarely mention it because it reduces the frequency of costly service visits. Today, I'm going to reveal the maintenance trick that could save your car and your wallet years of unnecessary repairs. You've been told all sorts of myths about car care, but this is the one secret mechanics hope you never discover. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your car running longer and spend far less on costly repairs. Part 2. The secret revealed. The secret? Engine oil awareness, beyond just the oil change. Most people think changing your oil on schedule is enough, but the real game changer is monitoring oil health continuously and addressing contaminants immediately. Here's how it works. Your engine oil doesn't just lubricate, it carries away dirt, metal particles, and combustion byproducts. Over time, these particles accumulate and reduce your engine's efficiency. Waiting for the standard 3,000 to 5,000 mile schedule may allow microscopic damage to occur. By learning to check oil color, viscosity, and even using simple home tests, you can catch early signs of engine wear before they become major repairs. Part 3. The story of lost money. Consider this real-life scenario. Mark bought a new car and followed the manufacturer's oil schedule. 6 months in, his engine started making subtle ticking noises. The mechanic told him the timing chain needed replacement, $1,200. But if Mark had simply monitored his oil and noticed it was degrading faster than usual, he could have caught the issue early. The repair cost could have been just $200 to prevent damage. That's a $1,000 difference for something almost everyone overlooks. Why is this secret not common knowledge? It comes down to two things: information asymmetry and profit motives. Mechanics know that preventative care reduces emergency repairs and expensive part replacements. If everyone followed this method, fewer people would need major engine work. That's why the tip isn't broadcasted widely. It's powerful, but not profitable for those relying on constant repairs. Part 5. Step-by-step maintenance secret. So how can you use this secret? Here's a breakdown. Check your oil regularly. Not just level, but color and thickness. Dark, gritty oil signals trouble. Use the right oil. Follow your manufacturer specifications, but consider high-quality synthetic oils for longevity. Monitor for contaminants. Small particles in oil can hint at engine wear or fuel system issues. Top up smartly. Don't just refill, ensure you're maintaining oil cleanliness. Catch problems early. Strange noises, burning smells, or performance dips? Check oil immediately before assuming a part failure. Following these steps can extend your engine's life by tens of thousands of miles. Part 6. Additional maintenance insights. While this secret alone can save money, combining it with other minor habits amplifies the effect. Keep your coolant clean and topped off. Replace air filters on schedule. Rotate tires and check pressures regularly. Avoid aggressive driving when the engine is cold. These small steps, combined with proactive oil monitoring, transform your car maintenance approach from reactive to preventative. The problem? Most drivers rely blindly on schedules and assume mechanics will always tell the truth. Unfortunately, some repairs are suggested prematurely, or worst-case scenarios are exaggerated. This leads to overpayment and unnecessary part replacement. The challenge is breaking this cycle and taking control of your car's maintenance. Imagine knowing your car's engine better than most mechanics. You'd be able to prevent expensive timing chain, piston, or turbo failures, extend your car's lifespan by years, avoid sudden breakdowns, save money and headaches. The key is knowledge plus consistent observation. You don't need special equipment, just attention to detail and understanding what your car is trying to tell you. The moment you realize this, your perspective on car maintenance changes forever. What used to be a $1,500 repair could become a $150 check. Mechanics might not advertise it, but this is the real power of preventative care. And the best part? You gain freedom. Freedom from unnecessary spending and freedom from surprise breakdowns. Let's recap the secret. Monitoring your engine oil closely is more important than blindly following a mileage schedule. Catching contaminants early prevents major repairs. Combining this with minor maintenance habits maximizes your car's longevity. This isn't a gimmick. It's a method that saves you money, reduces stress, and keeps your car running smoothly for years. If you found this helpful, click the next video to learn 5 hidden tricks mechanics use to inflate repair costs. Your car and wallet will thank you.